Welcome to Beautonic Live
Kitchen.
Pizza
Pizza is the one meal that
everyone
loves, right? But how to eat pizza on ketogenic diet?
We will make today we're gonna make keto pizza.
Yes, we will show you today how easy it is to make super delicious and healthy keto pizza. So let's get started. To make a crust, we just need a few ingredients. Almond flour, shredded mozzarella cheese, eggs, melted coconut oil and spices. So Maya right now will mix.
Don't forget pepperoni.
Yeah, this is gonna be our topping. So Maya will mix our dry ingredients. So,
Egg.
okay, Maya, flour.
Flowers.
Come here. Yes, please.
Oh my gosh.
Super. Then we have some
Onion.
You can grab it over here. And then we have powdered onion. Well.
And then a regular onion.
That's okay. Now I am adding a little bit of Celtic salt. And Maya, the last dry ingredient is baking powder.
We're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together.
Gently, okay?
I'm doing it gently.
Okay.
Is this some crust?
Nice. Okay, thank you, Maya. All right, and we will put it aside. Now I will melt mozzarella cheese.
And it's keto, remember.
In microwave.
I think it's gonna be like this or something. I love pepperoni.
The consistency should look like this.
That and this.
Now I am going to add
Some wet ingredients.
yes, 1 egg, please, Maya.
1 egg.
Sure, thank you. Now melted coconut oil.
Oil, not water. You guys remember. Don't even listen.
Thank you.
I feel it hot. It's hot.
And we will use a hand mixer to blend on all ingredients together. Everything. All right. Thank you.
Oh, spilled.
Now I am
Oh,
combining.
here.
That's no problem. That's okay.
Now we're gonna mix all the
Mix,
dry and ingredients. And
Exactly.
And the wet ones. Actually, all the wet ones are done.
Okay. So actually, this is good that you did this because we're gonna need our crust here to form ball. The ball. So now we are going to use our hands.
Can I use my hand?
Yes, in the moment.
Yeah.
I will put it here and you will.
I'm excited.
Okay. So here you can knead the ball to form.
It's like
form.
Play-Doh.
Yes.
Let's just form like.
Yeah. You need to just form the ball. Okay.
Like a form ball. Okay, it's like some kind of wet and dry. This is wet and dry.
Okay. So let me. Okay. Help you. You can do it together, Maya.
It's like a pyramid. It's making itself a pyramid.
All right, but just
Stretch. Stretch.
Mm.
Wait, stretch. Looks yummy right now.
At this point, we are putting our dough between two parchment paper.
It looks like dough, ooh, it's like pizza. It's like you're making a real kind of pizza.
Yeah.
It's rolling everywhere.
I will help you.
It's like
The pizza should be 1/4 inch thick.
Hi. When you want to see other channels, which is my channel, Kids Running Ideas, of course, you can go there right now when you finish this video.
So I will put to our preheating oven for about 8 minutes.
Started the timer!
Our crust is ready and we will put our favorite pizza sauce, which we love this brand. Maya, can you give me the sauce? Thank you. We will sprinkle cheese on top. Mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. Maya, can you give me the Parmesan cheese, please? Alright, thank you. And we will sprinkle over the pizza. If we leave it like this, we have a classic margarita cheese, but we can dress up our pizza with keto-friendly toppings. Today we will use pepperoni, right, Maya? Can you give me? Can we put a little bit of it on the top? I will add bell pepper. And some onion. We will put more Parmesan cheese. Now pizza is ready to go back in the oven, so we will add extra few minutes or until the cheese is melted. Okay, our pizza is ready. Smells amazing. Look at that crust, the melted cheese, paprika. It's really, I promise you, you are gonna love it. The recipe for this pizza will be posted below the video. Maya, pizza is ready. You gonna try? Alright, maybe you're gonna try to do it.
Very good also.
Alright, let's go.
Good. It tastes good.
Do you wanna go Alright, so thank you so much for watching our video. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.